you see my screen?
Yes, we can.
Okay. Hello, everyone. Glad to meet you all. I'm Sean from EMQ at Hangzhou, China. It's here in the office of the company. This is my first demo here. I'd like to show you the Erlang library for jq, which I created 2 weeks ago. The jq is commonly used command tool for processing JSON strings. It has a concise syntax for doing all kinds of transformations. It is so popular that Stone and I decided to introduce it to the rule engine of EMQ X. Before we get started, let's have a quick look at the rule engine in case you don't familiar with it. From the dashboard from the dashboard of the EMQ X, we have a page configure the rules. You have to provide the SQL to the rule for processing the data, and we also have a testing tool here where you could give it some input and it return you some output. For example, we have a payload like this, which is a JSON string. It's a JSON object like this. It has a message key and with a value, which is a JSON read. If you want to get the value of the key message, you can write a SQL like this. The payload dot message has message. Let's try it. Okay, it returns you the basic format. It is a read with the original JSON. But if you want to give the second element to the read, then we can change the SQL a little bit, like 2. Okay, and then we try again. Okay, it works. As you can see from the example, the SQL currently have a basic capability of processing JSON streams, but for some more complex scenarios, there's a little we can do about it. For example, if we want to calculate a summary of a list of numbers, like 1, 2, 3, then we need a syntax which such as map reduce or while loop to process the array. The jq does a good job on this because jq has been so widely used. It has been the de facto standard for processing JSON strings. It would be nice if we could invoke it directly from the SQL. Okay. For anybody who don't familiar with the jq, I'll show you some example, give you an idea about what it can do. The simplest use of the jq is the dot filter, which does nothing but just prints the original JSON string. In this example, we have a JSON string, the outer object have a key A, and its value is another object with a key B and a value integer, an integer value. Let's say you want to get the integer 1 out of the object, then modify the filter a bit, then now it becomes the integer. And here is a more complex example which calculate the integers out of a list of objects, the 1, 2, 3, and sum to 6. For this, okay. And let's go to the demo here. We just first let's try the simplest the simplest example, the dot filter. Okay, it returns the original JSON string. The method jq parse always returns the list because jq might have multiple results, and then we get a number out of the object, the integer 1. Okay, and the most complex example, it was good. Okay, that's it. The next step is to design a single syntax. Let's see. And I have proposed the solution here. The main idea is to create a jq clause after the select clause, and it should support multiple lines of jq filters connected with the pipe mark of jq. So please give your comments here if you have any suggestions. Okay, very simple, and that's all. Do you have any questions?
Great. I have a comment rather, not a question.
Yeah.
If you go back to the demo you shared, the console.
The console?
Yeah.
Could you see this?
No, could you go back to the console that you demo, the live demo?
Here, okay. Here.
Yeah, I would like to propose that we rename the parse API to maybe run.
Run?
It's not. Yeah, just run, like the RE, like the RE module provided by OTP. We could like do a JQ run, right?
Yeah, very good.
It's not really parsing the JSON. It's rather doing filtering or even map reducing the JSON input.
Oh, that's very good idea.
Yeah. Okay. That's my question. Anyone else?
Yeah, that's a nice feature. Yeah. Great job.
Awesome. I can't wait to see the JQ in GUI. Maybe the next demo you can present it by any chance?
Okay.
Great. Thank you. Yeah, so this JQ is really nice. It has very rich features, so we don't have to reinvent the wheel. And by integrating with the existing SQL-like rule engine that we already support, it will be a smooth transition for the existing users also. So this will be our kick-ass feature in 5.0. All right, if there's not more questions, I think that's the end of the demo for this time. We'll see each other in 2 weeks.
Okay, thank you.